The Ferrari F8 Tributo Off-Road is a bold and innovative interpretation of the iconic Italian supercar, designed to conquer rough terrains without compromising on luxury or performance. Imagined as an extreme and adventurous version, this off-road F8 stands out with raised suspension, rugged tires for maximum grip, and a reinforced underbody to withstand challenging obstacles. An exclusive body kit, engineered to enhance aerodynamics and protection, would give the car an even more aggressive look, featuring reinforced bumpers, widened side skirts, and extended wheel arches to accommodate the larger tires. Under the hood, the powerful 720 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine remains the beating heart of the car, delivering breathtaking performance even off the beaten path. This vision represents the fusion of elegance and adrenaline typical of supercars with the adventurous spirit of off-road vehicles. Although it is currently only a concept, the idea of a Ferrari capable of tackling sand, mud, and rocky trails is a testament to the ever-evolving world of automotive design, where boundaries between categories are increasingly blurred. Such a car would symbolize boldness and innovation, destined to inspire car enthusiasts worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.